Hello everyone, I'm your Zora, and I'm going to introduce you how to use AI Email Copilot to train email content, and use AI Email Copilot to process and reply to your customer service emails, which can save you 2 hours a day and give you more time to focus on your core business. First of all, let's learn how to train our past email content. Click Email Copilot. Click New File on the right side. You can download our template and fill in our template with the FAQ, knowledge, and policy content of your past email replies, and upload it for AI to learn, or you can upload your sorted out PDF, Word, and other file forms. After uploading the document to complete the training, the system will prompt that your document has been trained. We can see that there will be a button on the right side of the received email content in the conversation interface. Click the button to see the uploaded email knowledge. You can directly use the knowledge, or click Generate Email with AI to generate email reply content through AI. You can use it by simply modifying the email content by clicking Use Email Content, which is very convenient. Email Copilot supports the generation and response of multilingual content, so you can easily cope with your customers no matter where they come from or what language you communicate with.